Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to connect Bluetooth speaker in Oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. Then here you will see many app icon. Go to the setting icon first. Then here you will see many more option. You have to click on the Bluetooth option first. Then firstly turn on Bluetooth. After that power on your Bluetooth speaker first.
Welcome to MC Music World. Bluetooth mode.
After that here you will see many option. If your device is not shown in that pair device, so you have to move up and click on that available devices option. So click on that. After that
Connected.
here you will see the result in this way. Bluetooth speaker is connected to your mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.